Oh, hi everybody. Thanks for joining me in my vegan kitchen. I'm just cooking dinner tonight and I'm really glad that you're here. We're going to be making a grilled salad and let me just take these off. We're having some grilled romaine, but I thought, ooh, wow, we really love grilled asparagus and we never have the chance to make it because I feel like this is a lot to clean the grill. So as long as we're grilling the romaine, I figured we could grill the asparagus too.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So let me show you.
Okay, take it away.
Yeah, take it away.
No, never mind.
Yeah, so let me show you how we do it. You can do it in a fry pan. You don't need one of these fancy grill things. It just so happened that it came with my stove.
What'd you put on the pan?
There's nothing on it right now. But after I put my asparagus down, I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there. You want to get these pretty flat. You really don't want to do more than a single layer. So I have probably a little bit too much here. Let me take these away. Those will go in the last batch. So you want to get them pretty flat, lined up like soldiers. This is super hot, by the way. Otherwise, I'd probably pick it up, but you do not want to burn yourself. There we go. A little bit of finesse. Alright, so now we're going to take our extra virgin olive oil. We're just going to put a light drizzle. Not too much, just a little bit. And it doesn't matter that I didn't get it like everywhere because we're going to be flipping them around and moving them around, so it's going to get completely coated. You can see here, they're glistening with olive oil. This is what it's going to look like when they're all done. So then I like to also take a little bit of the magic seasoning salt. You could just use sea salt too. A little garlic would be nice on this as well. So just a little bit. All the other stuff in the salad is going to be flavored, so you don't want too many flavors mixing. You want it to be pretty simple, so we'll just let these cook a little bit. Also in the salad, well, like I said, it's going to be a half a head of romaine grilled. Then we're going to put the asparagus on the side. You could do any vegetable that you have that's in season. You could even use frozen vegetables if you want. I would recommend just grilling it like in a fry pan or on a griddle. You could even probably do it on a barbecue if you had a barbecue open this time of year. We're going to be serving it with our famous ranch dressing over the top, which the recipe for that will be linked in the info box below. And we're going to have it with some tuna mac, aka our chick pea salad with a pound of pasta mixed into it. So it's going to be a real spring, easy Sunday supper. So let's come back after all the asparagus are done and I'll show you how to grill the lettuce. Alright, so I just realized that I forgot to make the croutons. So we have 2 ciabatta here and I'm putting some vegan, I can't believe it's not butter on it. You could also use olive oil. You could drizzle it. Some people cut up their croutons first and like toss it with the olive oil and the seasoning. It doesn't really matter which one you choose to do. So the seasoning that you're going to want to put on it is a little bit of salt. And we're also going to do a little bit of granulated garlic. So I got that over here. We're just going to toast this and to dry it out. We're not going to like burn it. So we're just gonna, so it's crispy and then it'll get a little bit soggy when it, soaks up the dressing. So I'm just gonna pop that in the toaster. I also wanted to mention to you guys about the asparagus. You have to keep them moving every couple of minutes so that you get an even char on all of the sides. So these are almost done. As soon as I take these off, the grill is perfectly hot for the romaine.
The star of the show.
I know. I have my 3 heads here that I've just washed. And what we're going to do, let me take these off so that we can put the romaine right on the grill. So this is the last of the asparagus, which by the way is delicious. I just tasted it.
Nice.
Perfection. Alright, so that is blazing hot. I am not going to cut off this part. I'm going to cut it off when I serve it. Because if I cut this now, the leaves are going to start to fall off. So we just want to maintain intact, you know, the lettuce. So we're just going to cut this in half. Like that. And we're going to take this right over to the grill. And we're going to put it face down. Now this you don't move around. This you leave to char like this until it's ready. So this is probably going to be a few minutes before, you can see once it starts to get a char, then it's ready. It's not there yet. Another couple of minutes. Alright, so we're ready to build our plate. You can see this is still steaming. This just came off of the grill.
How long did it take?
About 4 minutes. You only do it on one side, so... We're going to also put our asparagus. I like a lot. So we'll put our asparagus on the side. We're going to also get back on there. We're going to cut this end off now. Now that it's all on the plate already, we don't have to worry about that. We'll just throw that away. Just don't even look at that. And now on top of our asparagus, we're going to put our,
Ooh.
what would you call this? Tuna mac, right?
Okay.
Gonna try and make it look a little pretty.
It smells really good.
Oh, thank you. I
Yum,
also
look at
tasted
that.
this and it was quite delicious. This is the first time we did the chickpea recipe with macaroni in it.
Yeah, I'm interested
And
to try it.
it's kind of like a cross between macaroni salad and like a chicken or a tuna salad. Now we're going to put some breadcrumbs on top, or actually croutons.
Oh, I tried one. So delicious.
Was it the devil?
Yes.
I love a panzanella, so I like a lot of croutons. So do the dogs. And then we have the dressing here. Recipe is linked in the info box. So we're just going to drizzle on some of our homemade ranch.
Yas, Quinn.
We could put a little bit on here too, not too much. So. And then the pièce de résistance, some bacon bits. Now I caution you, you don't want a lot of these because
You will feel sick after.
you'll hate yourself. So if you just put a few as an accent flavor, everything's going to be cool. So there you have it. There is our grilled romaine. And I believe we have a girl over here who's ready to give it a taste. All right, ready to taste?
I was born ready for this meal. First, let me try this.
Yeah. You're eating on marble,
Yeah, I know. So fancy.
right? It is Sunday.
Mmm.
It's good with the mac, right?
I really like that with the macaroni.
Yeah.
That's nice. This butter knife is not the best knife for this, but
Well, yeah. And that marble's a little slippery.
a little bit. Okay, let's see what we can get.
Make
here.
sure you get everything on there.
Try to get that bacon bit. I'll come back for asparagus.
All right. Is it everything you hoped for?
I'm obsessed with it!
Well, Maddie told me she had it at a restaurant not so long ago.
When
and
I was
then-
visiting my friend Lauren, we went out to this Mexican restaurant and I had a grilled romaine salad, and I've been talking about it ever since.
Yes. So I
It's
figured
so
I better
good.
make it because if she thinks it's good, it's good.
Mm. I already love asparagus, but when you grill it,
Yeah, it just brings out a certain
it's the
sweetness.
next level.
Yeah.
No, it's so good.
There you go. There is a nice dinner, nice Sunday dinner, good enough for Easter.
Yeah, you could.
That would be a lovely quarantine Easter dinner.
Maybe we'll have to revisit that this weekend.
Yeah,
Or next weekend, I mean.
I think so. I think it's really good. Even a weeknight dinner. I mean, if you grill the other stuff or get your
I mean,
stuff
you're
made
eating a lot
ahead
of
of
veggies
time.
here.
Yeah, I mean, you just need to do the grilling last minute. If you do the rest of the stuff ahead of time, you could just throw it together at the end when the lettuce comes off the grill. I can't stop her from eating.
I guess this will just be my plate.
I guess so. All right, there you have it.
All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Let us know if you like this, and if you want to see more stuff like this in the future, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Until next time, much love.